Hey, you got number 1 on it.
That's because it's Giovanni's first birthday. And he's 1 year old. Yeah, you explain it.
So in all of days, he was 0.
Yep. All these days until now, he was 0.
That's not even a number. Hey, we mix it up with this, it tastes yummy. What kind of yummy? Because this is bitter, I love it.
Good job, buddy.
Look at this.
Oh, don't do that, Riley. Good job.
It's my birthday boy day. No, it's a... I'm the birthday boy, too.
You're not, DJ.
I'm the birthday boy, too.
You guys are Giovanni.
Oh, cool. Mine has a number 5 on it. No, a number 1 on it. Mine has a number 5 on it because that one's 5. What's I not?
Everybody's got a number 1.
Why not 5?
Giovanni.
Is it not a number?
Is there enough?
Where's your cupcake?
Everybody have one.
You don't even have a number.
Yes, it's 5.
But you have the number 7.
There's a whole other thing in there. There's 20 of them all together.
I don't know
Yeah.
how you 7.
Rochelle told me I had to bring at least 16, so there's a lot. So, you know.
So delicious.
Giovanni, look at Mama. Good job.
What?
Look at his face, it's so funny. If you look at it, it's so
Riley,
funny.
Put frosting all
Giovanni!
over your mouth. I want to take a picture.
You're so adorable. Look at his face.
Giovanni.
His eyes just got so
what a
big.
good picture. You put...
Birthday bag!
Yes, we're going to leave the lollipops though in your bag so you take them home, okay?
Dad, get one?
No.
Riley,
You get one.
look at me. Riley, look at me. Riley.
And Giovanni has a different one, actually.
What a good picture.
Giovanni has one somewhere, actually, in with the other bag that has, like, the plates and cups, and I wrote on his hat, but he can wear whichever one. And I can bring...
I love this.
He can just do that one, and I'll just bring the other one home with me, and he can wear
Yeah,
that.
the rest of them are right in there.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to print them out.
No, that's fine. I'll probably bring the plates and cups home, too, if you guys didn't use them, because I don't know if he'll wear that, but that would be cool if he did.
Two more cupcakes.
There'll be exactly 2 more. Kyle. Darius and... Look at the look. There'll be exactly 2 more.
Feels weird.
Can I have another cupcake?
It's nice.
That's a really good picture.
No.
Thank you, buddy.
Teachers too.
Hey,
Actually, yeah.
You're no fun.
can I have another picture? I mean, can I have another cupcake? Can I have another cupcake? Oh, what am I doing? I need a knife. Can I have another cupcake? Look at my face.
Guys, there's not enough left.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna try this. That's cool that this is lollipop.
You can't have the lollipop here, though.
Yeah. Can I just open my stuff and play with this?
And Kim, there's a bunch more cupcakes. Seriously. There were a total of 20.
What the?
You might not get them all today. Maybe they'll decide they want to save them for another day.
I mean, 2 lollipops. Ripper, do not.
I'm gonna punch you. You still got a lot more on.
Hey. 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 I want to open this machine.
I'm gonna put on the little hat.
I want to open this machine.
You want me to open it for you?
Yeah, I want for you just to
Yeah, please.
I want to play this. And you want this we had. I opened it.
Good job, Riley.
You're good.
I don't know if this tiny thing's gonna fit my fat head.
Oh, nope, not really.
Not even close.
Oh no.
I'm gonna have to do this.
There you go.
Oh,
Aw, here, you can have mine.
This can be my new soda cup. Right, Kim? My new soda cup, and all I have to do is hang it from the wall with soda in there. Yeah, at least I found the water.
I'm so sorry. I did not know that.
oh, that's okay. If you didn't use it, I can save it for later. That's better for me. I didn't know if you guys needed it or not. I didn't want to not have it, but...
I really want yellow, but I got red.
Yes.
I found red pop in mine.
We wanted you to put your hat back on, Riley, so I could take a picture. No, give me.
Hey, look, I got red pop.
Awesome. Do you want to take that home and eat it, or do you want to eat it now?
I want to eat mine.
I know. Can you put your hat back on? I want to take a picture of you.
Can I have my lollipop now?
No. You guys, well, I don't know. It's so policy. I know before we had to send them home, but I guess if they fit with it.
Riley, smile.
So what can
Oh, you got it all in the other hand.
Oh, wait.
I'll take it
Elijah,
as a
can
yes.
you stop doing that for a second?
Okay, 1 second.
Thank you. All right, Riley, smile
Yes,
again.
he
smudges his other hand on it. Nice baby.